Hello, good evening, everybody. Hello, guys. From the topic of hello, anybody here? I'm just trying to invite more people. Hello. The topic of today is very interesting. Please share this video and invite your friends. Invite someone you know that might be interested to know what Juice Plus is all about, and what it can do to your health, and what you can benefit from it. Yeah. Hi, if you are here, just place a comment down below so I know you're here. Hello, guys. Say something. Hello. 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 We all need food and vegetable in our body. We need to be proactive about our health. And we have to take in fruits and vegetables every day. So many of us are so busy that we cannot do that. So Juice Plus is here to help you. Juice Plus is here to help you, take in as much as possible that your body will need. So, hi Esther. You can request to join the video, please. I think I can. Yeah. Today, I'm just going to be saying some things that might be helpful to you concerning this Juice Plus. It has really helped me, and I don't want to keep. Hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Good evening.
So, thank you. You can also help me to invite your friends as well.
Yeah, I will just do that now.
Thank you. So, thanks, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday, and I hope everything is going well for you guys.
Hi.
Hi, welcome back.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good
Yeah.
evening. I want to be talking about Juice Plus and its benefits to our health. Since Juice Plus is here to bridge a gap between what we should eat and we should eat every day. So it's not like other. It's not a chemical product. It's natural and it's fruits and vegetable. So as so many of us are very busy that we cannot even take as much fruits as we're supposed to
Yeah.
take in a day. So Juice Plus is here to bridge that gap to help us get that nutrition that our body really needs. So for so many people on my Facebook, they have been seeing my post and everything, so they don't really know what it's about. This video is to educate them and to let them know that we promote healthy living and to make them understand what the product is all about. So please, can you just give a brief explanation because you are good at doing that.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, when we are talking about Juice Plus, we are talking about promoting and healthy living, living the
Yeah.
right way. Especially when we're talking about Juice Plus, we are talking about fruits and vegetables. Espe-
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, because most times we don't actually go to the market to get
Mm,
fruits, and all we eat always is just one particular food. We might be lacking fruit, but we don't know that we are lacking. Juice Plus is here. All our products are stocked up with 30 different kind of fruits. The
yeah.
capsule, that is the
Yeah.
capsules. When we are talking of the shake, we're talking of 17. You see, you cannot just go to the supermarket and get, um, you cannot just go to the supermarket and start buying different
Yeah, all the
fruits. You
fruits.
understand? And at the end of
Yeah.
it, maybe you got home, maybe if you were able to do that, you got to what you can only be taking is just the apple or rather the
Yeah.
banana. But
Yeah.
this
It
loss is
happens to
here,
me too.
combining everything together to make it work for us. And we might
Yes.
and the amazing part of it is that it helps you. You may not know that it's nutritious. I'm telling you the
Yeah.
fact.
Yeah.
You may not,
It supports our skin.
yeah.
It gives us a healthy skin. Yeah, and also it helps support your metabolism and so many other benefits you would not you cannot imagine. So you can also help me speak to some people on my page that might want to lose weight, some want to have a healthy skin, some different aspect of it. I'm trying to You should also try to help me explain better because I
Yeah.
think they will listen.
Yes, like for those of them on your page, like I will always tell my
Yeah.
friends, I said, it's not only for those who want to lose weight or for those who maybe you have a friend who has already he has a stature of a slim person. Then if you want to talk to those kind of people, there are the way you tell them, because there are some of us, we women, we have pimples in our faces, and in the process of that
Yeah.
pimples, we have spots in there. You have bought
Yeah,
so
me
many
too.
drugs, cleanser to clean it, but it's not working. These are products
It's working.
also working fine. I've seen it. I've seen it in
Yeah.
I've seen it, and most of the people I've seen with it, they end up using our product, and it comes out positive. If, for instance,
Yeah.
you are a man, you have bumps at your back of your head during the course of maybe going to barbing salon, you get contact with our product can help you
Yeah.
get rid of it, and it's very, very good,
Yes.
because there are some things we do
I
not know. It's not by getting drugs at the pharmacist or anything.
it's natural.
This is a natural fruit that helps you bring out the it helps you bring out the things you never knew. Like most of the people, most of us, most of we ladies, we have scratches in our private part. Those of most of our ladies who menstruation are not regular. I'm telling you the fact. You might be lacking fruits. You
Yes.
might not know. You have gone to different
Yes.
doctors to get medical care, but it's not working out. Try this product.
Yes.
Really try this product, and you'll be so amazed of what result you might be getting. This is a product that so many people has been doing, has been taking. I'm telling you the fact that it makes you come down on your weight if you have a belly fat, whatever. But it also helps us in this area. There are those of us
Yeah.
after a hard day job, we came back from work feeling our sharp pain at our back down to our waist, feeling very, very,
Yeah.
very tired. These drugs help you to get back on your feet. These are products help you to get back on your feet. Every day we come on live Facebook trying to let you guys know it's real, and really it's real. We cannot just come back and
Yeah.
say one particular thing at a time if it is not real. Take good care of yourself now. Don't make money an excuse. And the amazing part of this our product is that they gave us if you are buying the drugs, sorry, if you are buying the product, if for instance you don't have money to pay once, you can pay gradually.
Yeah. I also explain that to my
You can
customers too.
pay gradually for 4 months. And the amazing
Yeah.
part of it that if, for instance, in my place where I am, I've seen so many customers who say, I don't have a card, I don't have document to offer. What I do is that I use my card. They pay in my card. I buy for
Yeah.
them.
Pay for
I
them.
buy for them, I direct it to their houses. It doesn't matter the country that you are, the same thing can comment. If you stays in any
Yeah.
country, US, Canada, anywhere, the product is there. We are
Yeah.
we are we are delivering it to you in any way you want it. So give it a try. Give it a try. It really works. It really works. It's a,
Some of my friends that are showing interest, I also tell them that Juice Plus is not a diet; it's a
yeah.
lifestyle. Once you start, and you will see the difference. It's not something. It's not something that you have to kill yourself about. It's just it help. It does everything for you. Once you start taking it, and you see the difference. It's not like you have to stress. You have to do anything. You just have to take the whatever you are prescribed, whatever is prescribed for you, and you are okay for
Uh,
the day. Once you take the capsules and you take those shakes in the morning, you are okay.
and we
So
don't abandon you. The Juice Plus product, when
no.
you get the product, we don't just say you don't buy, go
Yeah,
go go. No,
you're part of
we
the family
follow you up. We
automatically.
do what we call follow up.
Yeah.
We assist you
Yes.
until you get the
Yes.
maximum result you wanted.
Yeah.
And the amazing part of this product is it helps also in fertility. I'm telling you the truth. It helps. There
Yes.
are some things you don't
Mm-hmm.
know. These are products I don't even know. My product makes me to understand that it's very, very effective. There is nothing like side effects. I'm telling you the truth. Nothing like
No, no, no,
effect.
no.
It doesn't have any side effect. And when you use it, like some will tell me, yeah, I heard there is Lyme, and I wonder whoever told them that Lyme prevent women from. Yeah, they find it difficult. They will be telling me, I'm here, there's Lyme. I asked, don't you take
Yeah.
limes at home sometimes? He said, yes. So what's that? Not to talk of the product is not even from limes. I don't know where they get that from. That's why in
Yeah.
most cases we gave you a room, an opportunity to go to our website, check the product, check the content, check the
Yeah.
ingredients,
this, you check everything. Yeah.
Check the product, check the ingredient. No matter where you are, if you are, you can get the one for the belly loss. You can get it and pay
Mm-hmm.
gradually 4 times. It's okay for someone who is
Yeah.
paying 20 euros in a month. A month, first month, second month, third month, 4 months, you are paying 20 euro. You will not look at it as anything. You want to talk about when it comes to
Yes.
your life. Is a life,
Yeah.
is a
It's
life.
what will make you feel better. It's what you take in that is yours. That is what it's a parable. It's the one you take that is your own. So you have to take care of your body. You have to make sure that you're always on track. Not every day you're always tired, you always feel weak. It's not normal. So that
Yeah.
is where Juice Plus is here to
And
help your
when
metabolism.
you are taking this product, you are expected to do a little exercise, in the sense that,
Yeah.
like my boss lady will always say. I got that from Sister Charity. She will always say, if you are want to take the next bus stop or second bus stop, you don't take a bus, you take a walk. So I picked that from her, and I've been making use of that very, very well. So my dear, my brothers and sisters, come and make the order. If you are a man, you can make the order. You can buy. If you are a woman, and the part of it is that not just
It's
only for
not only for
yourself.
men, it's only for women.
It's not only for yourself. You can get it from your mom at home, your
Yeah,
granny,
you can also get for
your
your
mom,
children. We have line
yes, you
for
can get it
children.
for
We
them,
have
because those our moms in Nigeria have been working very hard. So they need something like this to
uh,
refresh them.
yeah,
I'm telling you, you can get
like
it for them if you feel you don't need it.
yes, yes. Like now, I have to make another for people in Nigeria because Juice Plus doesn't take their products to Nigeria. We don't have Juice Plus in Nigeria, so I have to make the order here. Then I'll post it via DHL myself. So I don't see any reason why you shouldn't have it. It's not it's there's no chemical.
No, no.
It's natural.
It's natural
Fruits
fruit
and
and
veg.
vegetables.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I would like to trip in
So
something a little spicy into this video.
yes, ma, you're very free to say anything, ma.
Like for those of the men and women who live in any European country of your choice, you can inbox us,
Mm-hmm.
tell us you want to be part of this business. You want to do, if you like what we are
Yes.
doing, and you want to be part of it, you want to join, even though you are a man. It's not only for women, men are also doing it. Even though you think some people will say, I don't have chance, I goes to work. No, you can still
Mm-hmm.
do it. That is not an excuse. Use your time
Yes, ma.
wisely, because I see people who goes to work and come back, watch live videos people are doing. That's the same way you can still be. People are
Yes.
watching and think,
Once you are able to spend at least 2 hours on Facebook every day, so that means you can do this job.
yeah,
It's not so difficult.
no,
It's not so stressful. And number one thing is you have to fall in love with the product first. So you have something to say to somebody else. You don't just come and say, this product is no, you have to be an evidence. You have to live and make people see what Juice Plus is doing to your life so you can use yourself as a testimony.
like,
So I will also advise young girls like me who live in Europe or any part apart from Nigeria, Africa. So I will also advise them to be a part of this business because me personally, I love beauty, I love fitness, and I love my hair so much. So I see no reason why you shouldn't love your health. I see no reason why you shouldn't love yourself. So once you're comfortable with yourself, you love the way you look, you love the way you feel, you should be able to tell to your fellow neighbor or your girlfriend, my girlfriend, look what has happened to me. I want you to be a part of it. You understand? I know initially they might not believe you, but as time goes on, they will come around.
yeah,
So I will advise you join, and once you join, you become a family. You become like Auntie Esther. I don't know her before, so it was when I joined this business that I got to meet wonderful people. Oh my God, you cannot believe it. They are all so wonderful. Once you need their help, they're always there to answer. They're always there to attend to you. So I see no reason why you shouldn't be a part of it. It's not like a normal day job when you just go to work, come back home and sleep. No, anytime, just say hello on the group, and everybody's there to say hi, hi, hi. So it makes me feel fulfilled, really,
And the most
and I'm
cases,
happy.
when you come into the business, you might be wondering, how can I be operating it? How can I do? I don't know the.
Yeah,
I, we have the
yeah,
Zoom cloud where we'll be teaching. We teach people. Even me, I'm still
yeah,
learning. I'm just 3 weeks in the business. I'm just telling you. I'm just
yeah.
still be like, you can see the way I talk. You look as if I just 3 weeks in the business. And there's no question you will ask that you will never get an answer. Because why we have what we call group. In each group, you can ask any question in the WhatsApp, in the messenger. There is always everybody to answer you. So give it a thought. If there's nothing you don't know, we'll teach you. We'll teach you. We'll share the screen in a Zoom where you'll be listening and be doing things. Let me tell you,
Yeah,
your website is your website. I'm not coming there to check on your website. I'm not coming there to check how much they have been paying you. You can even come. We that
no,
have been there for 3 weeks, you coming in now, trying to start in the month of November. You can even more, if there's a room for overtaking. You don't say you can even come and
yeah,
pass somebody who has been there for 6 months. It doesn't have to be the fact that you will be low. No, no, I don't. No, 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 no. You can do it. Just make that mindset. Have that positive mind that you can do it. Have that mind that you can really do it. That is your first priority, because most cases when you say I don't fit it, you have just killed your spirit. Say I can do it. Let me give
yeah.
it a try.
Yes, I want to invite Auntie Celine too, so she can also throw
Oh,
more light to what we are
thank you.
discussing. Is it possible for three people to be here?
No, no, she can't join. It's going to, except I go off now. She'll come in.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, no, let her ask first before you go off, so we still have a little
Okay, no. All
more
I want to
time.
say is
Just,
that you guys are so awesome. I've been seeing your support so far. They cannot, without you guys, friends, they cannot be we, the Juice Plus direct distributor, or whatever we have been saying, because you
yeah,
guys gave us the opportunity. And I'm so much grateful for you guys. Please share the video, tell people who will be interested in joining us, who want the
yeah,
product. Share the video, tell the people about Juice Plus. Let them know we can do it. Let them know they can do it. Let them have that mentality of I can do. And it really works. And you'll be so amazed of what you will get in return. Thank you very much for inviting me. I'm so grateful. Thank you, friends.
you're welcome.
Thank you,
Thank you for
thank
your
you, thank
time.
you. Bye.
Thank you. Yeah, so hello guys, we are still here. If you have any question to ask me, please do so. I will be glad to answer your question. Please, if you have any question to ask me, and I'll be very happy to answer you. Hello, my wonderful friends on Facebook. You guys cannot say you don't have a question. Please ask me any question you want to ask me. Yeah, that is basically what it is to Juice Plus. Yeah. So I'm trying to invite someone else to. Hello. Hi. Who? Ah, you're here. Okay, ma.
Oh, so
Hello,
good.
ma.
Hello, George. How are
Good
you?
evening.
Good evening.
I'm
How are
fine, thank you,
you?
ma.
We're
I'm doing fine,
done.
ma.
We're done.
You, I'm grateful you're able to come. Thank you.
Oh, I love what you're doing. That's good.
Thank you, ma. I'm just trying to explain to my followers. Some of them have been trying to reach out to me, trying to ask me what plus is all about. I'm just here to give them a brief explanation, nothing much. But I want you to help me. We have done some explanations already with Esther. So I just want you to help me throw more light into the discussion and
Oh,
you
that's
know,
good. Thank you for the
first.
opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you. You're
you.
welcome, ma.
Actually, it's something that
Thank
you
you.
kind of overemphasize. To be honest, with the benefit of this clause, you can't
Okay.
emphasize on it because it's so numerous, you know. But it's just
Yes, ma.
something that we're trying to create the awareness by inspiring people about what it's all about.
Yes, ma.
And to be quite honest with
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
like in the
Yeah.
bus, I keep telling people now, anywhere in the park, I keep telling people like it's something wonderful. You know, I
Mm-hmm.
keep using myself as an example to people like we don't have to wait until doctor said, oh, you have to do this, you have to do that before we actually
Yes,
sit up and start doing something. So
yes,
like
ma'am.
I said, we just have to keep on doing the work, keep inspiring people, keep supporting people, even those that are in need already. Because some on the long run, some people quit. They're like, oh
Yeah.
my God, it's so challenging. But I keep telling them, yes, it's challenging, but
Yes.
if you look at the end of it, it doesn't have side effect at all. You don't lose
No.
nothing. Rather, you are gaining as you're going on it. You are gaining. So, like I said, myself is a living testimony of the product. My daughter is a living testimony of the product. We've used it,
Yeah.
so I can say much about it now. But before then, I remember when
Sorry,
Sister
I'm sorry to
Charity,
cut you off,
yeah,
ma. That's the same thing I was trying to tell them. If you want to join the business, you have to first of all fall in love with the product
that's
so
it.
you can be able to inspire others. Yeah.
That's it. You just have to have the
Thank
passion. But
you.
if you don't use it, you might not just really know what to tell people. Because I've used it,
Yeah.
I can really say much. I can really say much about it. Even my daughter, like when she goes to school and she's like, oh, mommy, I forgot to take my yummy, yummy chewy. Because it's good to her. She loves it.
Yeah.
you know. So it's so much something that, honestly, if I got the money, I don't mind, like, even buying it for people. I did it once for
Yes.
someone. Like I just buy the first package for the person. I say, you know what? Try it, and if you can prove me wrong, prove me wrong. But just that first bottle I bought for her, you can't believe it. She came back buying the whole package.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's not good, she wouldn't have done that.
No.
So honestly, you're doing well, and we'll have to keep on doing the work, and
Thank you, ma.
not just through Facebook, but like we go to the park, even the children's school, in the bus. I'm doing that now. In the bus, I tell people about it.
Yeah.
Some people will look at me like, "What you talking about?" Some people will still listen to me. Yeah, my
Yeah.
dear. To be honest with you, it's amazing. It's amazing. The
Yeah.
benefits are so much that you can't just finish it. It's not just all about losing weight. It's not just all about losing
No.
weight. There are other benefits there. Yeah.